जरा इधर आओ। Come here for a second. Come here for a second. देखो तो सही। Just look. Just look. क्या हो रहा है? What's happening? What's happening? अब क्या करें? What to do now? What to do now? मैं सोच रहा हूँ। I'm thinking. I'm thinking. थोड़ा सोचने दो। Let me think a bit. Let me think a bit. यही ठीक रहेगा। This will be fine. This will be fine. चलो यही करते हैं। Let's do this. Let's do this. अब बात मत बढ़ाओ। Don't drag the matter. Don't drag the matter. अब पुरानी बातें मत करो। Don't bring up the past. Don't bring up the past. तुमसे बात करना बेकार है। It's useless to talk to you. It's useless to talk to you. सब कुछ साफ साफ बोलो। Speak clearly. Speak clearly. झूठ मत बोलो। Don't lie. Don't lie. मुझे सच्चाई पता है। I know the truth. I know the truth. बहाने मत बनाओ। Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. साफ साफ बोलो। Be direct. Be direct. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है। I'm getting angry. I'm getting angry. तुम बार बार यही करते हो। You do this again and again. You do this again and again. अब बहुत हो गया। That's enough now. That's enough now. बात यही खत्म करो। End it here. End it here. चलो शांति से बात करते हैं। Let's talk calmly. Let's talk calmly. तुम मेरी बात समझो। Try to understand me. Try to understand me. मुझे समय चाहिए। I need time. I need time. मैं थक गया हूँ। I am tired. I am tired. थोड़ा आराम कर लूँ। Can I rest a bit? Can I rest a bit? मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है। I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. दवा कहाँ है? Where is the medicine? Where is the medicine? पानी दे दो। Give me some water. Give me some water. डॉक्टर को बुलाओ। Call the doctor. Call the doctor. अस्पताल चलो। Let's go to the hospital. Let's go to the hospital. मेरी पीठ में दर्द है। My back hurts. My back hurts. सिर भारी लग रहा है। My head feels heavy. My head feels heavy. बुखार लग रहा है। I feel feverish. I feel feverish. थर्मामीटर लाओ। Bring the thermometer. Bring the thermometer. बिस्तर पर लेट जाओ। Lie down on the bed. Lie down on the bed. रेस्ट करो। Take rest. Take rest. कुछ खाया नहीं तुमने? You haven't eaten anything. You haven't eaten anything. थोड़ा खा लो। Eat a little. Eat a little. जूस पी लो। Drink juice. Drink juice. दवा ले ली? Did you take the medicine? Did you take the medicine? टाइम से खाना खाओ. Eat on time. Eat on time. सेहत का ध्यान रखो. Take care of your health. Take care of your health. ये मत खाओ अभी. Don't eat this now. Don't eat this now. हल्का खाना लो. Eat something light. Eat something light. खिचड़ी बना दूं? Shall I make खिचड़ी? Shall I make खिचड़ी? दही मत खाना. Don't eat curd. Don't eat curd. नींबू पानी पियो. Drink lemon water. Drink lemon water. आराम मिलेगा. You'll feel better. You'll feel better. मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. दरवाजा खोलो, हवा नहीं आ रही. Open the door, no air is coming in. Open the door, no air is coming in. खिड़की खोल दो. Open the window. Open the window. पर्दे हटा दो. Remove the curtains. Remove the curtains. रोशनी आने दो. Let the light come in. Let the light come in. बल्ब बदलना है. The bulb needs to be changed. The bulb needs to be changed. बिजली चली गई. Power is gone. Power is gone. जनरेटर चलाओ. Start the generator. Start the generator. इन्वर्टर ऑन करो. Turn on the inverter. Turn on the inverter. मोबाइल चार्ज में लगाओ. Put the phone on charge. Put the phone on charge. फोन की बैटरी लो है. The phone battery is low. The phone battery is low. नेटवर्क नहीं है. No network. No network. इंटरनेट स्लो है. Internet is slow. Internet is slow. वाईफाई ऑन है क्या? Is Wi-Fi on? Is Wi-Fi on? राउटर रिस्टार्ट करो. Restart the router. Restart the router. लैपटॉप चालू नहीं हो रहा. Laptop is not turning on. Laptop is not turning on. कोई अपडेट आ गया है. An update has come. An update has come. मुझे कॉल करना है. I need to make a call. I need to make a call. फोन मत छुओ. Don't touch the phone. Don't touch the phone. कॉल कट हो गई. The call dropped. The call dropped. नेटवर्क वापस आ गया. Network is back. Network is back. बात पूरी नहीं हुई. The conversation wasn't over. The conversation wasn't over. बाद में बात करेंगे. We'll talk later. We'll talk later. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. मैं अभी बात नहीं कर सकता. I can't talk right now. I can't talk right now. मुझे थोड़ी शांति चाहिए. I need some peace. I need some peace. शोर बहुत हो रहा है. It's too noisy. It's too noisy. रेडियो बंद करो. Turn off the radio. Turn off the radio. लाइट बहुत तेज है. The light is too bright. The light is too bright. पंखा घुमा दो. Turn the fan this side. Turn the fan this side. मच्छर बहुत है. There are too many mosquitoes. There are too many mosquitoes. मच्छरदानी लगा दो. Put the mosquito net. Put the mosquito net. Coil चलाओ. Burn the coil. Burn the coil. Spray कर दो. Spray it. Spray it. खटमल हो गए हैं. There are bed bugs. There are bed bugs. सफाई करनी होगी. Cleaning is needed. Cleaning is needed. झाड़ू कहाँ है? Where is the broom? Where is the broom? पोछा लगाना है. Mopping is needed. Mopping is needed. घर बहुत गंदा है. House is too dirty. House is too dirty. सफाई करवाओ. Get it clean. Get it clean. डस्टबिन खाली करो. Empty the dustbin. Empty the dustbin. कचरा बाहर फेंको. Throw the garbage out. Throw the garbage out. बर्तन धो दो. Wash the utensils. Wash the utensils. कपड़े तह करो. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. कपड़े सुखा दो. Dry the clothes. Dry the clothes. इस्त्री कर दो. Do the ironing. Do the ironing. अलमारी में रख दो. Keep them in the cupboard. Keep them in the cupboard. दरवाजा लॉक किया. Did you lock the door? Did you lock the door? ताला लगा दिया. Did you put the lock? Did you put the lock? अलमारी बंद करो. Close the cupboard. Close the cupboard. चीजें जगह पर रखो. Keep things in place. Keep things in place. सब काम हो गया. Everything is done. Everything is done. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.